friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. All of us have understood and realized the importance of using cast iron utensils for our daily cooking. Using cast iron utensils ensures that we get the daily dose of iron in our food without the requirement of taking further supplements for iron. So today's video is about unboxing some of the iron utensils which I have purchased from Indusvalley.com. Indusvalley specializes in selling all the Indian traditional cookware and other stuff, which you can check it out in their website Indusvalley.com. There is a sale going on in Indusvalley.com and up to 70% you can check out and purchase if you are interested. Please note that this is not a sponsored video. So now let's get started and do the unboxing. This is the invoice. This contains cast iron dosa tawa round 11-inch with grinding and cast iron skillet with machining 10-inch and super cast iron super cast iron smooth kadai wok model 10-inch. We'll keep the invoice aside. This has come neatly packed. So this is the super smooth kadai. You can see the smooth inside. Outside it's still rugged, but inside it's smooth, and this is pre-seasoned. This is concave shaped. This is not a flat bottom one. You can see the finishing. Let's keep this aside. Let's keep this aside as well. This is the dosa tawa. So let's keep the packaging aside and see the products one by one. Let's see one by one. First let's cover the kadai. This is a concave shaped kadai. You can see the size based on this. This is quite heavy, and if you see the finish, inside it is smooth, outside it is matte finish. You can see the matte finish, and this comes pre-seasoned, so no worries of having to season it again and again and start using it. And you can see the handles. All of us know that even though the handles are provided, you cannot use it without mitts. So you have to use mitts when you are using iron kadais. But having handles helps you to have a good grip while using mitts as well. So you can use mitts and take it and keep it. So this is nice, and this is in good size for a family of 4. You can make good amount of sabji in this, or you can use it for fries or making any pakodas or anything for making. This is very handy, and the shape is also good. You can see how it is. You can see the finishing. This is rugged finishing, matte finishing. Inside though it's smooth, outside it is rugged. I'll turn it and let you have a look. You can see this is how it is. Now let us go to the skillet. So if you are interested in making some fries or some cutlets or any fish, you can use this skillet. Very wide. Inside again it is smooth, outside it is rugged. It also comes with easy pour spouts on either side, and with a handle this side and longer handle this side and shorter handle this side. You can see the size based on this. Quite heavy, just like how iron utensils should be. You can see the other side as well. So all of these come pre-seasoned, so you can just start using these right away after a wash probably, and one smoking with oil. Next, let's come to the dosa tawa. This also inside it is smooth, and if you see, this is super flat. You can make the flattest of dosas in this, crispy dosas, and you got the ridge here to ensure that when you pour oil on the edges of dosa, that doesn't overflow and returns to the dosa to make it extra crisp. And this is coming with a handle on one side. While we are making dosa, it is very unlikely that you are going to take it and keep it aside. So that having handle one side should not be a problem. See the flatness. This is super flat. Plain, flat. Again, this outside finish is not smooth. It's rugged again and sharp even, if you see. This is something which I do not confirm with. A little sharp and rugged edges, the hands might get cut, so probably I'll have to get this roughed up a bit with a sandstone or something, otherwise there is a chance of hands getting scratched on this. This is very sharp. Overall, given the discount, it is a good purchase. So these are the three things which have come purchased in the combo. Overall, it's a good purchase considering the discount sale. So if you are interested in shifting to iron utensils from aluminium or non-stick, this is a good time to invest in cast iron utensils. Not only Indusvalley, you can check out other brands as well. Most of them are on sale nowadays. So I urge you to make a shift. Go away from non-stick and aluminium and move to the traditional ways of cooking and traditional utensils. If you have any comments, I would request you to leave your comments in the comment section so that I can know what your thoughts and what your views are and what other changes we can make in our lifestyle to make our lives better, healthy and happy. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching.